Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. We are less than a week away from Christmas and I had to make this last minute. It is a tinsel tree and it turned out super cute. I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. Let me just switch the light on really quick so you can see how it looks out in the light because the red kind of looks like burgundy. So let's see. So here's how it looks in the light. I just wanted to kind of show you how it looks with the fairy lights, but let's go ahead and get started. It's such an easy project. Before I get started though, I do have another YouTube channel called Tina's Daily Deals where I post daily deals, like tons and tons of deals from Amazon and other stores, and you save tons of money by just clipping coupons or putting in codes. Here's an example. Here we have this magnetic cutting board or like a bamboo cheese board. This has amazing reviews and the code works on both options. Down there, I am going to go ahead and show you the lowest. This is great as a gift or for your gathering. This one is priced at $29.99, but clip that coupon, put in the code, and snag it for just $11.99. Give it a try, and if you like what you see, be sure to join the family. I will put the link to this item in the description box here along with my other YouTube channel link. That way it's an easy click and subscribe, and trust me, you're not going to regret it. Get ready to save tons of money. Now let's get started with our tree. Here I picked up a basket from Dollar Tree. Remember, everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. So this basket, and I picked up one of those tinsel trees, and I already took off the wrapping or the garland off of it, so that's just the base, and I'm going to go ahead and zip tie them together. I am using just 3 zip ties and the rest, actually 4 zip ties, I'm sorry. So 3 up here, and then we're going to use 1 more to attach the garland to it. I'll show you in a minute. So as you can see here, I attach 1 zip tie and then I skip 1 little slot, and then I go ahead and put it in the next. So on top, you should use only 3 zip ties. Now on the bottom here, I'm going to go in with my last zip tie and connect my garland to it. And it is time to start wrapping. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on my next video. So like I said, we're going to pull this, cut the extra piece that's sticking out like that, and if you drop or accidentally cut your garland, that's totally fine. Just go ahead and clean that up, and we're going to start wrapping, and we're going to glue as we go. Now, when you get to the top, don't freak out. Just continue on with your glue gun. It'll hold everything in place. Just trust me on this one. So we're going to make sure the basket is nicely covered. And then once you get to the top, that base up there, you're just going to apply hot glue wherever it touches the garland. So once again, you're just going to start putting your hot glue like vertically, if that makes sense. And then you're just going to put your garland just like so. And then once we're done wrapping it, I'm going to go in with the star ornament. I'm going to place it on the top using my hot glue, and I'm going to add those little foam balls or pom-poms on there and fairy lights, and we're done. I made sure to start my fairy lights in the star, the little ornament, and work my way down, but I want to hear from you. I definitely love the way it turned out, but be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this easy project, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.